No, no.
Here, looks like we got a fast one coming.
What's it doing?
Yeah, fast.
Whoa.
Right.
Oh! I'm not gonna go I think that was...
Not really a problem.
Okay, so... Who?
I didn't know space.
Please stand back from the yellow line.
No.
Got part of it.
Space.
A train.
Whoa.
Please stand back.
So tell me first, what train was that?
Attention, please. A train is approaching. Please stand back from the yellow line.
I am just right on.
Yep.
Wait. That's one distance.
Yes.
That's the march right on.
Now that was the Amtrak horn. The marching didn't do his horn. What? The Denbo's horn. Under it.
I know, this thing has to march for him. It's coming now.
Oh. Hello.
I want to go. I want to go. I don't want to go. I want to go. I like it too.
You think?
I think the agency says it's going to be going on one.
Yeah.
Because you're going to be so angry, sad. Why cars?
They used to carrying bikes.
Only wish we can go on the launch train.
Oh
So,
yeah, there's so many trains in there, right?
we could take the launch train all the way to
Baltimore.
Gettysburg. We can take the
Barely.
we can take the launch train to Gettysburg for watching memories.
Yeah, except for one problem.
Ooh.
That's on the Mark Brunswick line.
Wait, how many money you take on the launch train?
I don't know. But going there.
Let's all take the tweet to ride on.
Yeah, let me talk. There's a one problem with taking the Mark to Virginia to Gaithersburg, Naheen. Remember I told you that the Mark Brunswick line only runs on Saturday,
I know.
Monday, Tuesday, Friday. Yeah. Yeah. We'll have to go on them days, Naheen.
Okay, bro.
Otherwise, I won't be able to take the Mark train to Gaithersburg.
Whoa.
Hey, Taco. Oh, you got that from Daddy, did you? Oh my god. Oh my god. Why? Yuck! What is that thing?
Stop.